to speak on the issues which have been submitted to me, the demands which have been given to me by Goa Association of Resident Doctors and also the consultants of Goa Medical College. And we'll go one by one. With me I have the President of GARD, Dr. Ayush Sharma and his team. In my right, I have my Director Admin and my Medical Superintendent, Dr. Rajesh Patel. At the outset, we are all here, HODs. We did not like the incidents that has happened. Nobody likes such incidences. And on this, our Honorable Minister has already tendered apology on media, that is on prudent media, which is in circulation. So the first demand of the GARD is that there should be revocation of suspension of the said doctor who works in the casualty. But there is no suspension order issued as yet. There is no suspension at all. There is no question of revocation because it was only the verbal suspension, I think so. There was no office note which was moved in this matter, and they want unconditional inquiry. So that there is no suspension, there is no question of unconditional inquiry also. So there is no suspension of the concerned doctor. The point number 2 is that they want a public apology from the Honorable Minister, and they said that this apology should happen in the premises of Goa Medical College, especially in the casualty where the incidents occurred, and to which I have conveyed the same to the office of the ministry, and I am awaiting the reply, to which I will be, once we get the reply, we will inform the GARD about the public apology. Third thing is assurance of non-repetition of such incidences. As a dean and as a medical superintendent, we, along with our HODs, we have decided that whatever demands to avoid such incidences, we will work together. But part of this has to be referred to the government because there is also government component in this reputation. So we are also referring the letter which goes to government. The copy will be given to the GARD Association. Then total ban on videography, including the press and media in the patient care areas. I strongly believe that patient care area is a privacy area, and I fully agree with the GARD that we should not have any videography or any photography in the patient care area. We have already put our placards, our notices, but in spite of that, sometimes some people come and they do videography. But now it will be strictly monitored through the security officers, and the police will deploy police also at casualty area. So this is also agreed upon. Then end of VIP culture. Actually, there is nothing called as VIP culture. We also don't agree to this, and we also agree with the GARD that there will be no VIP culture in a government hospital. And part of this VIP culture, the component which relates to the government administration, we will be referring this matter to government, that this is one of the demands of the GARD, that there should be no VIP culture in Goa Medical College. Now they are also saying the one more demand they have put just now is that there should be SOPs for VIP treatment, which we are going to frame today along with medical superintendent. I'll sit with the GARD and we'll make the SOPs. As regards the casualty matters, we have already decided to make casualty very strict now as only emergency department, and there will be a strong SOPs along with monitoring committee which will be headed by 4 different HODs, and they will come out with a strict SOPs for casualty treatment. Further to this, I think there was one demand by the and then they also demanded that we should put an FIR against the person who took a video in casualty on that said day. So that also it is we are calling the police inspector from Agasen, and we are putting an FIR on him also.
Doctor, the suspension is not moved, but any inquiries moved
No.
against the doctor anything in that?
There is no inquiry at all. There is no suspension. There was no note moved only because that was a holiday and offices were closed. It was only verbal. So MS is here. He was there on that day. So there is nothing that is moved. No.
Doctor, yesterday while head on giving an interview, the health minister said Dean is with me and MS is also with me. Are you condemning his act?
At first only I said none of us like such behavior. So none of us like. So morning only I told guard we all condemn such behavior and it is agreed upon by the honorable minister. That is how he has given that apology on head on.
You said that press media had entered the emergency. Did you identify this person? Was this really a press person who had entered into the
one more thing,
No. No, it is not. It is a personal videographer.
You said press had entered.
No. They are demanding that press should not enter the patient treatment area. Don't confuse this.
So this was
So
a
corridor
personal.
can be should only on the inside.
No, what we don't want is where the treatment is going on is the privacy of the patient. How somebody can come and it is right and we are supporting this. In the areas of treatment we don't allow only and our instructions are very strict on the board. So what they have said is we fully agree with.
So this was the private video.
This appears to be a fact.
Doctor, addition to that only, you said it is absolutely right on the behalf of you. This thing, the videography and the media is not allowed in the private rooms.
Yeah.
I mean, in especially gynec and whatever it is. But when health minister comes with for a publicity with his cameraman and the videographer.